Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set up your goals inside of Myfitnesspal application. So first of all, if you are using phones, you can go to App Store if you are on iPhone and download this application from it. If you are using like any Android phone, mobile, you can just go to Google Play and install this application from it as well. Now for PC users, just like me, you can go to your any kind of browsers like Mozilla Firefox and Opera or Google Chrome, and from there you can just go to the URL section and write myfitnesspal.com. Now this page shall be open for you, but not as you can see it here. You will have no account, so first you'll have to create an account. So this thing both work for PC and phone. So what you have to do is sign up an account, email, password, and then you'll have to put some informations like your body weight, your height, your date of birth, and then your weight goal. So that's the first thing where you have to put your weight goal. So let's say that you have answered everything and you have created your account. Now let's say that you have passed like 5 days or 6 days streak and you thought about it and you think that you want to change your goals again. So basically what you can do to change your goal is click on settings on whatever menu you'd like it. So there is settings on every single menu, so make sure to click on any setting you find, just like that. For example, let's click in here. This page shall be opened. Here you will find privacy settings and here account settings. So if you go all the way down to here, which is the sixth option, you will find update diet slash fitness profile. So let's click in it, and this page shall be opened. Here starting weight, date, current weight, height, and goal weight. So here will when or where you can change your goal. So for example, let's put it to somewhere like I don't know, 79, and save our update profile. You'll find that your goal has been changed and even the calories will be changed. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like. Thank you for watching.